everybody, this is Brianna Rutter, and in this video, I am going to talk to you about my experience with Wondess hair. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell for notifications so you don't miss another video. So this is how I received the hair once it was sent to me, and it literally took less than a week for me to get my hair, so I would consider that very fast shipping. Now, as you can tell, these are the bundles and closures that I received, and I must say, their hair quality is always amazing. I have never had a bad experience with their hair. So I'm just showing you a few scenes of me installing their hair that they sent me. And this hair is the Malaysian Virgin Straight hair in the length 18 inches. So I have 3 bundles of 18 inches, and then I have one 16-inch middle part closure. In this tutorial, I'm actually doing a side part lace closure sew-in, as you can see already that I've done on my YouTube channel. So if you want to see that, click the links in the description to check out this tutorial. But the number one thing I can say about their hair is that it blends very easily with relaxed and natural hair. I tend to have natural roots in my hair when I'm styling my hair because it makes it very easy for me to blend my hair with any type of hair extensions. But when I'm actually installing this hair, I barely have to press my hair to make it blend. It's extremely natural, and all of the hair is true to length. And this hair also easily colors, but I tend to like to have my hair as its natural tone so that you can see exactly how the hair looks when you receive it without doing any extra work. Another thing that I might add is that they have very full density on their closures, which I love, but if you tend to like your closures just a little bit on the thinner side, then all you have to do is pluck the hairline or pluck right where the actual part will be. So as you can see here, I'm just slightly styling up the edges of my hair to blend in with this look. I barely added any product and I barely did anything to this hair for it to look this beautiful. So I highly suggest that you purchase Wondess hair for your hair care needs because I have not been disappointed yet. And this style lasts me for a pretty long time, so I took the hair out and re-washed it so that way it can be ready for another install if I so choose. So if you like to get this hair, be sure to click the link below, and I'll catch you all in my very next video. Bye bye.